slips, trips, and falls. Costs for slips, trips and falls in the work industry. To the worker, lost wages and out-of-pocket expenses. Pain. Temporary or permanent disability. Reduced quality of life. Depression. Death. To the employer, loss of productivity in business. Increased industrial insurance premiums. Costs associated with training replacement worker. Definition of slips, trips, and falls. Slips. Too little friction or traction between feet, footwear, and walking/working surface, resulting in loss of balance. Trips. Foot or lower leg hits object and upper body continues moving, resulting in loss of balance. Stepping down to lower surface and losing balance. Falls occurs when too far off center of balance. Two types. Fall at same level, fall to same walking or working surface or fall into or against objects above same surface. Fall to lower level, fall to level below walking or working surface. Causes of slips. Wet product or spills in surfaces. Water. Mud. Grease. Oil. Food. Blood. Offal. Dry product or spills in surfaces. Dust. Powder. Granules. Wood. Plastic wrapping. Causes of trips. Uncovered hoses, cables, wires or extension cords across aisles or walkways. Clutter, obstacles in aisles, walkway and work areas. Open cabinet, file or desk drawers and doors. Changes in elevation or levels. Unmarked steps or ramps. Rumpled or rolled up carpets/mats or carpets with curled edges. Irregularities in walking surfaces. Thresholds or gaps. Missing or uneven floor tiles and bricks. Environmental conditions increasing risk of trips and falls. Poor lighting. Glare. Shadows. Excess noise or temperature. Fog or misty. Conditions. Poor housekeeping. Bulky PPE, includes improper footwear. Improper cleaning. Methods and product. Inadequate or missing signage. Human factors increasing risk of trips and slips. Physical. Failing eyesight and or visual perception. Age. Physical condition and fatigue. Stress or illness. Medications, alcohol and drug effects. Behavioral. Carrying or moving some objects or simply too many objects at one time. Not paying attention to surroundings or walking distracted. Taking unapproved shortcuts. Being in a hurry and rushing. Workplace, work process design. Use drip trays to contain leaks of lubricant onto floor from machinery. Provide adequate lighting to keep work areas, aisles and paths of travel well lit. Mark highlight step edges and transition areas, changes in elevations. Use anti-skid paint, slip-resistant coatings and strips. Make sure stairs have sufficient lighting and handrails. Provide effective drainage, false floors or work platforms. Install slip-resistant floors in high-risk areas. Housekeeping. All places of employment clean and orderly and in a sanitary condition. Workrooms clean and dry. Platforms, mats, or other dry standing places for wet processes. Aisles. Sufficient safe clearance maintained where mechanical handling equipment is used. Aisles and passageways kept clear and in good repairs. No obstruction across or in aisles that could create a hazard. Permanent aisles and passageways shall be appropriately marked. Floor openings. Every stairway floor opening guarded by a standard railing. Railing provided on all exposed sides, except at entrance to stairway. Every ladderway floor opening or platform shall be guarded by a standard railing with standard toe board on all exposed sides, except at entrance to opening, with the passage through the railing either provided with a swinging gate or so offset that a person cannot walk directly into the opening. Floor openings. Where operating conditions necessitate the feeding of material into any hatchway or chute opening, protection shall be provided to prevent a person from falling through the opening. While the cover is not in place, the pit or trap opening constantly attended by someone or protected on all exposed sides by removable standard railings. Every temporary floor opening shall have standard railings or shall be constantly attended by someone. Open-sided floor. Every open-sided floor or platform 4 feet or more guarded on all open sides except where there is entrance to a ramp, stairway, or fixed ladder. The railing shall be provided with a toe board wherever, beneath the open sides, persons can pass, there is moving machinery, or there is equipment with which falling materials could create a hazard. Stairways. Every flight of stairs having 4 or more risers shall be equipped with standard stair railings or standard handrails. Railings. A standard railing consists of top rail, intermediate rail, and posts. Have a vertical height of 42 inches nominal from upper surface of top rail to floor. The top rail smooth surfaced. The ends of the rails shall not constitute a projection hazard. A stair railing shall be not more than 34 inches nor less than 30 inches from upper surface of top rail to surface of tread in line with face of riser at forward edge of tread. Wood railings, posts at least 2x4. Posts less 6 feet rails, at least 2x4. Pipe railings at least 1/2 inches nominal diameter. The completed structure shall be capable of withstanding a load of at least 200 pounds applied in any direction at any point on the top rail. Where material is piled to such height that a standard toe board does not provide protection, paneling from floor to intermediate rail, or to top rail shall be provided. Fixed stairs. Provided for regular travel between levels. Where equipment requires attention routinely. Fixed stairs provided where access to elevations is daily. For work around acids, caustics, gases, or other harmful substances. Fixed stairs minimum width of 22 inches. Stair treads. All treads shall be reasonably slip-resistant and the nosings shall be of non-slip finish. Rise height and tread width shall be uniform throughout any flight of stairs including any foundation structure used as one or more treads of the stairs. Stairway platforms. Stairway platforms shall be no less than the width of a stairway and a minimum of 30 inches in length measured in the direction of travel. Portable ladders. All parts free from sharp edges and splinters. Visually acceptable. Step ladders 20 max. Single ladders 30 max. Always maintained in good conditions. Locks, wheels, pulleys frequent lubrication. Worn rope replaced. Safety feet and auxiliary equipment in good shape. Ladders inspected frequently. Those with defects withdrawn from service for repair or destruction and tagged or marked as dangerous, do not use. Ladders not placed in front of doors opening toward the ladder unless the door is blocked upon, locked, or guarded. Tops of the ordinary types of step ladders shall not be used as steps.